This video jewelry design. It's a banner type of design, so I'll show through the breakdown. Okay, so I created one canvas in Adobe Illustrator, so and we put some elements for the decoration, as you can see on the canvas. And I created one shape. It's look like a some body kind of textures. Okay, soft tone. And I created one more line over there. You can see the really bright yellow. Thereafter we will put some jewelries for the main text, and with a local language as Kannada and Hindi also we can put. And thereafter we'll go with some spiritual things like Ganesh, every Sri Ganesh. Even also we will use some Om symbols to the represent the spiritual things and the spaceful part. So thereafter we will put some more elements like jewelry. You can see this is the smallest jewelry, right? Earrings as well. Also we'll put some also this is shadow and another jewelry to support the element of the that main gahana, we'll call the gahana, right? It's that one. So what we'll do next is we can add also texture, but I think we'll play with the typographical things like jewelry and the Kannada words. So we'll make it smaller, and also we have to give some placement for the logo. So we'll see that. So for the logo we can if you are using a downside of bottom of the canvas, you can replace the Om and put somewhere, and you will you can bring it there to place the logo. But I thought it's a good place to put the god because of its visual, and it's really setting some hierarchy. Okay, if I put the brown, this matching the Ganesh. Okay, so what we'll do, so put this a little bit up if you want to put a logo. Otherwise it's let it be there. And another thing is also we can put on the top of this text or logo. I'll put the rectangle to highlight there. You can put the logo placement. This is it. So you can, by using this kind of, so we'll create the shop design for the any kind of stores or the jewelry shop.